profoundly idealistic, maybe even a tad impractical? Let's meet the service-oriented leader. Hey there, welcome back to my How to Manage Your Boss series. In this video, we're going to talk about how, if you happen to work for a service-oriented boss, how you can be indispensable. Very nice to meet you. My name is Pauline Cheng and I am your Bazi coach. So first, how do we recognize a service-oriented boss? Well, he or she would be someone who's a bit of an intellectual, a little bit clever, all right? He considers learning to be an essential part of every human being, and he loves to spend hours mulling over new concepts or even far-flung possibilities, okay? The service-oriented profile can be a little hard to pin down because it actually manifests in very many different ways. Essentially, this type of personality profile or Bazi profile has got to do with creativity, the art of creation. Now, many people instinctively jump on the obvious, such as drawing, painting, writing, right? It's not truly that the service-oriented boss cannot be strictly boxed in that way. This profile actually refers to an ability to visualize and create a product, a service, or a system, essentially creating something out of nothing. So in the world of the service-oriented boss, there is no systems perfect enough that cannot be rebuilt, okay? So the best way to recognize a service-oriented boss is that he will be constantly thinking of reinventing the wheel, tweaking the wheel, changing the wheel. That's what he does, right? So leadership style, service-oriented boss tends to put a premium on collaboration, trust, and empathy. Now, his objective with his team will be focused on supporting the individuals within the team. So what happens to the service-oriented boss under pressure? This profile is likely to display a tendency to analyze a problem to death. He will spend a lot of time thinking, discussing, but maybe there won't be an action plan at the end of the brainstorming. So, you know, NATO, no action, talk only. So, right? So how do you deal with this profile? To be indispensable to your service-oriented boss, you need to play tactician to his strategies. Number one, keep learning. Service-oriented profiles gets really frustrated by people who refuse to grow. They cannot understand it. So you need to display intellectual curiosity to match his, okay? Number two, be his sounding board. Now, service-oriented profiles loves to examine problems from multiple angles, especially when he has someone to bounce his ideas on. So, however, right, that you need to meet a certain criteria. He must consider you to be his intellectual equal before you can take on this role. That's number two. Number three, help him to achieve perfection. The idealistic nature of the service-oriented profile very often leads to a broad streak of perfectionism. So if you are the person who can bring a shine to his ideas, that is when you truly become indispensable. So again, of course, I must provide you with a Bazi shortcut, right? So here's the link. It's in the video description. Right, click on it, register one time, and plot your boss's chart. Not your chart, yours. Your boss's chart, please. Right? So next, once you've plotted your boss's chart, remember, scroll all the way down to the bottom. If you see Eating God at the top, e.g., right? Most likely, you work for a service-oriented boss. So at this juncture, I want to insert a disclaimer. Right, the terminology Eating God in this free sharing are copyrighted materials belonging to Datuk Joe Yap and the JY Mastery Academy. You want to learn more? Well, visit joeyap.com. So an example of a service-oriented leader profile would be the singer known as Prince. Creative, out of the box, idealistic, ahead of his time. You know, if you're too young to know him, please Google him, right? The list goes on. Now, in all this, right, I must stress, we can't fix another person's chart, okay? Neither you nor I can fix another person's chart. only the owner can do so if he or she wishes to. The strategies offered in this series are designed to put you in a position that either complements the strengths or fills in the blind spots of that particular profile. So that's what I've got for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Got a question? Drop me a comment. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.